Welcome to our tutorial on how to get started with Blockmesh. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set up your account and begin using our platform. First, navigate to blockmesh.xyz/register. Enter your preferred details and click Submit. You'll receive a verification email. Click the link in the email to verify your account, then return to Chrome to log in. Next, download the Blockmesh Chrome extension. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn about its key benefits. It's important to note that the Blockmesh extension is entirely open source, ensuring your privacy and security. To share your invite link, simply click this button. If you want to customize your invite code, click here and modify it to your preference. Finally, let me tell you about a significant advantage of using the Chrome extension. The extension will automatically accumulate points for you while you're away. As you can see, I started this video with 0 points, and now look at my points after letting it run in the background. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out Blockmesh,